Hello?
Hello. Just bear with us 1 second. Good morning, Mr. Gerardo. If you could just confirm that we have Leonel Sanchez Lopez with us this morning, please.
Leonel Sanchez se encuentra presente.
Sí.
Yes.
Okay, so by appearing today, I'm going to quash the warrant that was issued and give you 3 new court dates. Do you have a pen and paper available?
Si tiene con qué anotar, le voy a dar 3 nuevas fechas para que regrese posteriormente. Al comparecer el día de hoy, va a quedar cancelada esa orden de aprehensión.
Okay.
¿Tiene con qué escribir? Okay.
Okay, I'm going to set a pretrial date on May the 4th at 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
4 de mayo a la 1 de la tarde es una vista antes del juicio.
A readiness date of June 29 at 9 a.m.
29 de junio a las 9 a.m. Reportarse para ver si están listos para irse a juicio.
With a jury trial date of July the 10th at 9 a.m.
10 de julio a las 9 a.m. es la fecha del juicio.
The first date would be on
Okay.
Zoom in courtroom 5. The second 2 dates would be in person in courtroom 5.
La primera fecha va a ser por Zoom, sala 5, y las otras 2 van a ser en persona, sala 5.
And Mr. Chavez,
Okay.
I'm sorry, Mr. Sanchez Lopez needs to call his attorney and make an appointment prior to his pretrial date.
Señor Sánchez López necesita hacer una cita con su abogado antes de la vista que tiene, antes de su próxima comparecencia.
Do you have any questions, sir?
¿Tiene alguna pregunta, señor?
No, todo bien.
No, ok.
Okay, thank you. Have a good weekend.
Gracias, que tenga buen fin de semana.
Gracias, igualmente.
And I believe that was my only case.
I think
Your
you're
Honor.
right. Yeah. All right. You have a good weekend as well.
You too, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Case.
I think you're right. Yeah. All right. You have a good weekend as well.
You too, Your Honor.
Thank you. Good morning, Mr. Tekel Merriam. I'm sorry, sir, you're still muted.
My name is Maria.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Can you confirm that we have Wandamu Habtemariam with us?
Wanda Mohab Tamariam, are you? Is it Tigrinya or Amharic?
Amharic.
Okay. At Wanda Mohab Tamariam, Masmaralad Dal Aragad.
Allo.
Yes.
Okay, very good. So by appearing today, I'm going to quash the warrant that was previously issued and give him a new court date.
Okay. Zare Salamata. Yeah, but again, but in the Yazim Milon Zaz, soon Serge at this, yeah, for debate and set a handle. Good morning, Your Honor. Joseph Taklamariam, Washington State Court Registered Amharic interpreter and permanently sworn in by the AOC. And it might say Amharic and Tigrinya, and I do both. So,
Okay, very good. Thank you. And can you just confirm that he has a pen and paper available to write down a new court date?
script ورنا ورقة على عديس يفرد بيت قطرولي ستة سلوهنا.
علم.
Yes, I do.
Okay, it's going to be April 26th
April has this.
at 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
كلت ساعات كساعات وهلا.
And that would be in person at the Hall of Justice in Kelso in courtroom 5.
الناب بأكل Kelso Hall of Justice مبال courtroom أمست.
I realize that he may live in Seattle. If he wants to send something to the court asking to appear via Zoom, I would consider that.
نا سياتل عندما بتنور أو قالوا أنت بزوم مقرب كفلك سموتها مقرب تشلال بزوم القرب له.
But one way or another, we'll see him on April 26th at 2 o'clock.
وهنا أكلم ميهون بزوم ميهون ያኔ እናገኘሃለን በሁለት ሰዓት ቀኑን ጽፈዋል
April 26, 2 p.m.
አፕሪል 26 2 p.m. የኬልሶ ሆል ኦፍ ጀስቲስ ኮርትሩም ነምበር 5 በአካል ኢን ፐርሰን መቅረብ ማችል ከሆነ ስሞታ ማቅረብ ትችላለህ በዙም መቅረብ ከፈለክ ብለዋል
በዙም ነው የምቀርበው ግን አሁን መንጃ ፈቃዴ ታግደዋል ልጆችን ትምህርት ቤት መውሰድ አልችልም ከስራ ውጪ ነው ያለሁት
at this time my license is suspended and I cannot take my kids to work and I don't have no job.
Okay, so he just needs to write to the court and ask to appear via Zoom, and he could appear via Zoom on that date.
ለፍርድ ቤቱ ጻፍና በዙም ልቅረብ ብለህ ያኔ ቀን በዙም መቅረብ ትችላለህ
ገባ እስከዛ መንጃ ፈቃዴ እንደታገደ ነው ወይ የሚቆየው
Will my license still be suspended until the court date?
I can't give him legal advice. He'd have to talk to the Department of Licensing about that. I don't know the reason for the suspension at this time.
እና በዚህ ሰዓት ለምን እንዳገዱብህ አላውቅም እነሱ ዲፓርትመንት ኦፍ ላይሰንሲንግ ነው መንገር ያለብህ እኔ ህጋዊ ምክር ልሰጥህ አልችልም ከዲፓርትመንት ኦፍ ላይሰንሲንግ ጋር መነጋገር አለብህ
እሺ
Okay.
All right. Thank you, sir. You have a good afternoon.
Thank you. And that's all I have, Your Honor. Am I excused?
Absolutely. You have a great weekend.
Thank you.
Yep,
Have a
thank
good
you.
one. Bye-bye.
You too.
ጨርሰናል አቶ Okay. Bye-bye.
Good morning, Mr. Brown.
Yeah.
And so by appearing this morning, I'm going to quash the warrant that was issued by the city of Longview. I'm going to give you 3 new court dates. Do you have a pen and paper available?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I don't. Hold on. I gotta go up front. I just want to. You got a pen and paper? Okay. I don't want them. I just want one court date because I'll get confused. And I need to get your phone number. Is this attorney?
No, this is the judge. I'm striking the warrant that was issued. I'm going to give you 3 new dates. You'll still need to contact your attorney after today.
I need to call the courthouse and get my attorney's number. I need to get on it. I've been lazy.
I can give you that. I can give you that number as well, Mr. Brown.
The one court. Give me the one court date. Just the first one.
I'm going to give you 3 court dates. The first one is May the 4th at 10 a.m.
All right. Hold on. May the 4th at 10 and Zoom.
Yes, that would be on Zoom.
What was it? What was it? I forgot. I said 10 May 4th. Is that what you said? May 4th at 10 o'clock.
I did.
All right. I'm not bad. I'm thinking something else. I want to tell you something. All right.
Mr. Brown, if you could just listen to me for 1 second, I'm going to give you 2 more dates. June the 29th at 9 a.m.
I'm not even going to write them down. I can't even write the first one down. I'm like really confused. Oh yeah, I'm just going to take a year GOC with that when I talk to my attorney. I don't want to go to jail. That's what I want to talk about. I'm not having a hard time. I'm frustrated.
I understand that you may be frustrated,
but that's okay. I got the first court date. So when the next court date, they'll give me 3 more court dates. So it'll be all right.
No.
But yeah, I'm going to try to get this handled. I don't want to keep going to court for the next 10 years. I mean, the last case struck out for over a year. Until I took a strike.
Mr. Brown, I'm also going to give you Mr. Brown, I'm going to give you your attorney's phone number at this time. You ready to write that down?
Yeah, I can write it down. Give me a paper. Paper's so small. They gave me a little notebook paper. I write like a fucking 3rd grader. All right, what is it?
360
501
501 8092
8092.
You need to call them and set up an appointment.
Okay, yeah, I do. He's booked out like a month. And I gotta get my number on my phone and write that down. So I just haven't had a pen and paper and everything. But yeah, I'm getting on to it. And before I can make any kind of deal, I have to go see him. So that's what my plan is.
That sounds like a good plan. I'm going to give you a couple more court dates. So we'll see you via Zoom on May the 4th at 10 o'clock.
I'm not going to be able to, I can't right now. The room that I run out of paper. All right. I got the first court date. Every court date is 3 more, so it's okay. I did nothing wrong. You can prosecute me for this. Yeah, all right. Thank you. Is that it, Your Honor?
No, I'm going to advise you of 2 future court dates. June 29th at 9 a.m. in person at the Hall of Justice in Courtroom 6 with a trial date of July the 10th at 9 a.m., also in person in courtroom 6. Call your attorney's office. They can remind you of those court dates if you're not able to write them down right now.
Okay, I need to get an afternoon appointment because but the reason why I missed court, Your Honor, is because I thought to see my attorney, I mixed up on my court date to the attorney, and I called them when I was doing my appointment card. I didn't realize it wasn't. I thought it was an appointment card for to go to court. But I got it mixed up. That's the only reason why. I didn't even know I had a warrant.
I understand.
My DOT officer didn't tell me.
Mr. Brown, I'm glad that we were able to work this out and get the warrant quashed. So talk to your attorney. We'll see you back here on May the 4th. Thank you, sir.
All right, there we go. Bye.
Bye. Good afternoon, Mr. Bailey. By appearing this morning, I'm going to quash the warrant that was issued by the city of Longview. I'm going to give you a new court date. Do you have a pen and paper available to write this court date down?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Okay. Your new date will be April the 26th at 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
26th at 2 o'clock?
Yes, sir. And that'll be in person in courtroom 6 at the Hall of Justice.
Your Honor, I live in Seattle, Washington.
Okay, if you send a note to the judge, he can probably authorize you to appear via Zoom again. The date that I had for you was on South 6th in Kelso. I wasn't aware that you lived in Seattle.
No, and Your Honor, she's my case manager. I have never been to your county. If you can pull up a profile of the person that was cited for my ticket and you look at me, we're totally two different people.
Okay. And unfortunately, all I'm able to do this morning is quash the warrant and give you a new court date. I'm not able to investigate your case independently at this time. I understand the difficulty with travel if you're residing in Seattle. So I would encourage you to write the court requesting to appear via Zoom because of that. And then at that date, you might be able to address the identity issue with the judge. Okay.
Okay.
Who do we address the letter to?
The presiding judge for district court in Cowlitz County.
Providing. And would you happen to have his name on your calendar?
It's Judge Imboden, I-M-B-O-D-E-N.
I-M-B-O-D-E-N.
Yes, sir. And do you want the address for the courthouse?
Yes, please.
It's 312 Southwest First Avenue.
12 First South Ave. And zip code?
98626, and that's in Kelso. And be sure to direct your correspondence to Cowlitz County District Court.
Okay.
And then
that's case number?
Yes.
Do I have your case number?
Yes.
I do. It is 3A
3A
02
02
48
48
126.
126.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and I will just attention the judge.
You got it.
Okay, thank you very much, Your Honor.
You bet. You have a good weekend.
You too now.
Thank you. Good morning, Ms. Obrecht. If you could just unmute and let me know you're there, please.
I'm here.
All right. Thank you, ma'am. By appearing this morning, I'm going to quash the warrant that was issued. I'm going to give you a new court date. Do you have a pen and paper available?
I do.
Okay. It's going to be April the 19th at 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
Okay.
And that'll be on Zoom in courtroom 5, just like we're doing now.
Okay.
All right. We'll see you back here then. You have a good weekend.
You too. You have a great Easter too.
Thank you. Appreciate that.
Bye-bye.
Good morning, Mr. Murphy. If I could just have you state your name so I know you're here, please.
I'm Ryan Murphy.
Thank you, sir. So by appearing this morning, I'm going to quash the warrant that was issued for you. I am going to give you a new court date. Do you have a pen and paper available?
I do.
Okay, it's going to be April the 20th
Okay.
at 2:30 in the afternoon.
All right.
And that'll be in person in courtroom 5 at the Hall of Justice.
So I live in Sacramento. I just had back surgery. I don't really know how that's going to be possible.
Okay. I'm going to go ahead and authorize you to appear via Zoom based on those circumstances.
And I can have a doctor's note if possible. I literally just got out of the hospital.
Okay, I'm comfortable making that decision on the fly here and allowing you to appear via Zoom.
Okay.
And so we'll see you here, well, not here, but we'll see you virtually on April the 20th at 2:30, please.
Okay. Thank you
All right.
very much, sir.
All right, hope you recover well.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Good morning, Ms. Abayan. If I just have you state your name so I know you're here, please.
Yes, Maria Abayan.
Thank you, Ms. Abayan. By appearing this morning, I'm going to quash the warrant that was issued. I'm going to give you a new court date. Do you have a pen and paper available?
I do, Your Honor.
Okay, so I'm going to set a new arraignment date of April the 26th.
April, sorry, 26. Okay.
That'll be at 2
at
o'clock.
what time?
Ma'am, that'll be at 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
2 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay.
And that'll be in person at the Hall of Justice in Kelso.
I'm on the phone, honey. Hold on. In person. I'm sorry. What was the last part? I apologize.
Courtroom 5 at the Hall of Justice in Kelso.
Courtroom. Also, Washington. That's in Washington, right?
It is.
Okay. Courtroom 5. Sorry.
Okay. All right, Ms. Abayan, thank you. Have a good
Okay.
weekend.
You too. Thank you.
Good morning, Ms. Fairchild.
Hi.
So by appearing this morning, I'm going to quash the warrant that was issued for you. I'm going to give you a new court date. Do you have a pen and paper available?
Yes, I do.
I'm going to set a new hearing for April the 26th.
Okay.
At 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And that'll be in person in courtroom 5 at the Hall of Justice.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll see you back here on April 20th.
What courtroom was that? Sorry.
5.
Okay. Perfect.
All right, have a good weekend.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you. Good morning. If you could please unmute your device and just state your name so I know who's here, please. Maida Paz, if you could unmute and just let me know you're here.
Maida Paz?
Thank you, Ms. Paz. So by appearing this morning, I'm going to quash the warrant that was issued by the city of Longview and give you a new court date. Do you have a pen and paper available?
Yes, I do.
Your new court date will be April the 20th.
Okay.
That'll be at 11 a.m. And that'll be via Zoom in courtroom 6.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. We'll see you.
9 a.m. Excuse me, 9 a.m. you said?
I'm sorry, what was the question?
9 a.m.
11 a.m.
Okay, 11 a.m. Thank you so much and have a great day.
You as well. Take care.
Thank you.
Morning, Mr. Kozar. If you could unmute and state your name for the record, please. Mr.
Hello?
Kozar, if you could just state your name for me, please.
Yeah, my bad. My phone was messing up. Jorge Kozar.
Thank you, sir. By appearing this morning, I'm going to quash the warrant that was issued by the city of Longview. I'm going to give you a new arraignment date. Do you have a pen and paper available?
Yes, I do.
So your new arraignment date will be April the 26th. That'll be at 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
All right, hold on. Let me write it down. April what?
26.
All right.
At 2 o'clock in the afternoon in courtroom 6 in person at the Hall of Justice.
All right. Sounds good.
All right. We'll see you then. Have a good weekend.
All right. Yep. Thank you. You too.
Thank you. Good morning, Ms. Matalto. If I just have you state your name for the record, please.
Angela Montalto?
Thank you, Ms. Montalto. By appearing this morning, I'm going to quash the warrant that was issued. I'm going to give you 3 new dates. Do you have a pen and paper available?
1 second, let me grab a pen. I had it. You have a pen? Here you go. I'm sorry.
It's all
Your
right.
Honor. I
We
had
can-
one.
That's all right. We can come back to your case.
I got it.
Good morning, Ms. Jyoti. If you could unmute and just state your name for the record, please. Virginia Giothi or Giothi, if you could unmute, let me know you're here, please.
I'm here.
All right, thank you. I'm going to give you 3 new dates to appear. Do you have a pen and paper available?
Yes, I have.
Okay, so I'm going to set a new pretrial date of May the 4th at 10 a.m.
May 4th, 10 a.m.
Yes, ma'am. That'll be via Zoom in courtroom 6.
Okay.
I'm going to set a readiness date of June the 29th at 9 a.m.
June 29th.
Yes, ma'am, at 9 a.m.
Uh-huh.
That would be in person in courtroom 6 at the Hall of Justice in Kelso.
Okay.
And a trial date of July the 14th, also in person, also at 9 a.m.
July?
Yes, ma'am, July 14.
July 14, 9 a.m.
Yes, ma'am.
in courtroom number
6.
in person.
Yes.
Okay.
So you need to call the Grimm Law Group and meet with your attorney prior to your pretrial date, please.
So the May 4th, do I need my attorney there? Or
Your attorney
just
will
me
be there in court. You'll be appearing on Zoom.
on Zoom?
Yes, ma'am.
And then my driving license, what do I need to do?
You can talk to your attorney about that.
Okay.
Okay, so give
Thank
them a
you.
call. We'll see you back here in about a month.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Honor. Okay.
Good morning again, Ms. Matalto. Are you ready to go?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so I'm going to set a
Yes, I
pretrial.
am.
Okay, I'm going to set a pretrial date of May the 4th at 10 a.m.
May 4, 10 a.m.
That'll be on Zoom in courtroom 6.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to set a readiness hearing of June the 29th at 9 a.m. in person in courtroom 6.
29th at what time?
9 a.m.
9 a.m. Courtroom 6.
Yes.
Okay.
And a trial date of July the 10th at 9 a.m.
July the 10th at 9 a.m.
Yep, so you need to call your
And-
attorney's office, meet with your attorney prior to your pretrial date, then we'll see you back here on May 4th.
Thank you.
All right, you bet. You have a good day.
You too.
So we're on the 9:30 warrant to quash, docket to quash warrants. And there's one person left in the waiting room. That's Mr. Bailey. We've already called his case. There are a number of other matters on this docket where the individuals have failed to appear. One of them is Heather Hicks. Ms. Hicks has 3 matters on: 3A0198320, 2A0286407, and 2A0641732. We'll strike those matters, leave those warrants in effect. Colton Lindquist, That's 2A03-80872. Tamara Potts has 6 matters on. 2A01-45751, 2A0226180, 2A0337114, 1A0281744, 2A0234783, and 2A0610524. Rhonda Robb is 2A0056194. Bryn Slater has a pair of matters, 2A0380343 and 2A0380344. And Ariel Watt is 3A0137045. I believe that would conclude the 9:30 docket.